Dear viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Our today's lesson is about Salman Rushdie's argument that Commonwealth literature does not exist. This video is going to be very important for the NET SET aspirants, for those who want to crack their UGC NET SET in English subject. So watch the video till the end. For our better convenience, we shall discuss our today's topic. Commonwealth literature does not exist in 3 sections. We shall discuss it in 3 sections for our better convenience. First, we shall know what is the meaning of Commonwealth. Second, we shall discuss what does Commonwealth literature signify. And third, why, according to Salman Rushdie, Commonwealth literature does not exist. What is Commonwealth? What is the meaning of Commonwealth? Commonwealth is an international association consisting of the UK together with the states that were previously part of the British Empire. So, Commonwealth is an international association consisting of the UK together with states that were previously part of the British Empire. Now we shall know what does Commonwealth literature signify. Commonwealth literature signify, or what is Commonwealth literature? What Commonwealth literature is? Commonwealth literature are those literature which are being produced in English by the nation states which were once the colonies of the British Empire. So, literature produced by Asia, Africa, South America, Canada, New Zealand, Australia, etc. is termed as Commonwealth literature. So, Commonwealth literature is the literature in English produced by these continents, Asia, Africa, South America. Next, we shall move on to our third part, that is why Salman Rushdie said that Commonwealth literature does not exist. First, you know that literature is the manifestation of a particular culture, or a culture finds expression in a particular literature. So, different culture, different literature. As one culture differs with another culture, so the literature. So one literature differs with other literature. For example, the culture of India is different from the culture of South Africa or that of the Caribbean islands. That is why, since there are so many culture, so many literature, you cannot homogenize all diverse culture, that is all culture, all this culture, all this literature into a single literature. Homogenize, you cannot homogenize all this diverse culture, that is diverse literature, into a single literature. In this way, you cannot designate a particular literature in a generalized term. Reason number second, what is about the authors who are who were born in the nation states which were once the colonies of the European power? So those writers now they are living and writing from the countries of their past colonial masters. They are internationally famous. Their books are renowned all over the world. For example, Salman Rushdie himself was born in India. Now he is living and writing from UK. Currently he is living in USA. So, and the diasporic writers who carries with them two cultures, their culture of their original home and the culture uh, where they are at present living. So, what we will call them? International writers, Commonwealth writers, the diasporic writers, or what else? Third, reason number third, that the regional writers, though they belong to the nation states, they belong to the states which were once the colonies of their colonies of the British Empire, or the though they belong to the Commonwealth nations, since they are writing in their regional language or in their local language, except English, they were not included in this Commonwealth group. So, for all these reasons, Salman Rushdie argued that Commonwealth literature does not exist in his essay Imaginary Homelands, published in 1992. So, those who have not yet uh, subscribed my channel, those who have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe, press the notification button so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.